Imagine a sweet spot, a place where your money can grow a little while staying readily available. Well, that's exactly what Wealthsimple Cash offers. It's like a supercharged checking account with some investment perks sprinkled in. Intrigued? If you're wondering how to open a Wealthsimple Cash account and unlock this financial middle ground, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can be up and running in no time. But before we dive in, let's rewind a sec. Is Wealthsimple Cash right for you? Here's the deal, Wealthsimple Cash isn't designed to replace your high-yield savings account. It's more for everyday banking needs, with the bonus of earning some interest on your cash. Think of it as a place to park your money while you decide what to do with it next. Maybe you're saving for a vacation, a down payment, or that perfect gadget. Whatever your goal, cash can be a handy tool. All right, convinced? Let's get you set up. First things first, you'll need the Wealthsimple mobile app. It's free to download for iOS or Android. Once you've got it installed, open the app and log into your existing Wealthsimple account. If you're new to Wealthsimple, don't worry, creating an account is a breeze. We'll cover that in another video. Now you're logged in and ready to explore. On the home screen, you should see a plus sign icon at the bottom. Tap that, and you'll be presented with a menu for adding new accounts. Look for the option that says Open a New Account, and give it a tap. Here comes the fun part, choosing your account type. Wealthsimple offers a variety of options, but today we're focusing on cash. Select Cash from the account menu, and you'll be prompted to decide between an individual or joint account. An individual cash account is all yours, perfect for managing your own money. But if you want to team up with a partner, roommate, or someone you trust, a joint cash account lets you share the responsibility and benefits. Choose the option that suits your needs and proceed. Now, Wealthsimple will guide you through a short verification process. This might involve taking a picture of your ID and answering a few questions to confirm your identity. It's a standard security step, and it shouldn't take long. Once you've completed verification, congrats! Your Wealthsimple Cash account is officially open. You'll see it reflected in the app, ready to receive funds and start earning some interest. Here's the beauty of Wealthsimple Cash, it integrates seamlessly with your existing Wealthsimple account. You can easily transfer money between your cash account and your investment accounts, giving you more control over your finances. Plus, Wealthsimple Cash comes with a handy debit card. You can use it for everyday purchases, both online and in stores. And guess what? Every time you swipe your cash card, you'll earn a little something extra, up to 1% back in the form of stock, crypto, or even more cash. That's like getting a tiny reward for your everyday spending. Now, keep in mind that Wealthsimple Cash isn't a magic money machine. The interest rates are competitive, but they might not be the absolute highest you can find. However, the convenience and the investment integration make it a compelling option for many people. So, there you have it. Opening a Wealthsimple Cash account is a quick and straightforward process. With a few taps in the app, you can unlock a new way to manage your everyday finances and potentially grow your money along the way. Of course, Wealthsimple Cash might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Do your research and consider your financial goals before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.